So here's our Twilight third Thursday extravaganza, and I just want to let you know that yeah, that's hail, oh, and lightning, and yeah, all the houses down there in that Typhoon Lagoon, yeah, that's thunder. It's underwater. If you have some boots and an umbrella and you don't mind getting absolutely soaking wet, we've got some extended hours just for you tonight till 7 p.m. So come on out. It's going to be wet and wild in Eagle Glen. Oh man, my truck is getting nailed right now. Oh, wow. Okay, well, this is not safe. Okay, holy cow, look at that. Wow, that's insane. Well, let's pray it doesn't jack up the truck. Well, you can see it bouncing across the sidewalk there. And we didn't get hit here, but anyway, there it is. Extended hours just tonight. See you guys.